everyone, welcome to the channel Botany with Sadhna. In this video we will discuss about angiosperms, what are angiosperms and how they reproduce. So first of all, what are angiosperms? Angiosperms are flowering plants in which seeds are covered Earlier, as we have seen in gymnosperms, seeds are uncovered before and even after fertilization. But in this case, in angiosperm, seeds are covered. So, male and female sex organs are present in specialized structure called flower. Male sex organ is called pollen grains and female sex organ is called ovule. And the male part is called stamen. It is pistil, or we can say that carpel. Stamen consists of two parts: long cylinder filament and a tip is called as anther. This is filament. Pistil and carpel. Long cylinder-like structure or connecting between top and the lobe structure lower down is the style, and the top platform is the stigma in which pollen grains land, and this is ovary in which ovules are present here. This is ovary, stigma, style and ovary. So this is the male reproductive organ, and this is the female reproductive organ, or we can say that female sex organ in the plant. So what next? In anther is bilobed. Anther is bilobed, means each anther having two lobes and each lobe is biathecous. So it consists of four parts like this, in which pollen grains are present like this, or in a closed structure. We can say that in this manner. And in female reproductive organ, these pollen grains land over the surface These pollen grains, with the help of wind or other pollinating agents, land over the surface stigma, from where pollen tube arises, or whenever pollen grain germinates on stigma, pollen tube arises, which reaches through the ovary through the style, and in ovary egg cell is present. Here is egg cell and 2 synergids are present and 3 antipodals are present. This is egg cell. Here is a large view of an egg cell. All cells present in the egg cell are haploid in nature, means all cells are haploid. These are antipodal cells. 3 antipodal cells are present, 1 egg cell and 2 synergids are present. Here central cell is also cell in which 2 polar nuclei are present. When male or pollen tubes in which 2 male gametes are present in one pollen grain, like here, let me draw an enlarged view. Here 2 male gametes are produced with the help of pollen tubes. They reaches to the egg cell here, and with the help of synergids they, like this, they reaches here. With the synergids or filiform apparatus present in synergids guides the pollen tube so that they can enter the female gametophyte. Here they reaches here, and one of the male gamete fuses with the egg cell and the other fuses with this polar nuclei. So the polar nuclei plus one male gamete after fusion forms polar endosperm nuclei, which is not diploid, it is triploid in nature, means 3N PEN, polar endosperm nuclei. And when the one male gamete plus egg cell fuses, it forms zygote. So zygote is diploid in nature. So two things are new formed after fertilization. That's why it is called as double fertilization, which involves the formation or the two fertilization in a plant. Double fertilization. It's a unique characteristic feature of angiosperm. In angiosperm, double fertilization is a unique characteristic in which zygote and polar nuclei are formed. Okay. Now we see some of the uses of angiosperm and what are the plants in which what are angiosperm plants. Most of the plants we see flowering plants. Most of the plants, or we can say that flowering plants, are angiosperm. Example: mango, apple, or we can say that the fruiting plants from which we can obtain fruits, etc. And uses of angiosperms. Angiosperms can be used as food, fodder, as well as medicinal purpose. In ovary, ovules are present, and that ovule converts, after fertilization, ovule converts into seed and ovary converts into fruit. And these seeds can be of two types, or we can say that two cotyledons, one cotyledon or two cotyledons, means the seed can be divided into two parts like this, or we can say that only single grain or cotyledon is present. When it is present in two cotyledons, then we call it as dicot or dicotyledons. And when it is present in single grain form, then it is called as monocotyledon. This is basic introduction of angiosperm. I hope it is clear to you.